How to update your PayPal profile. Are you guys facing issues to update your profile on PayPal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open PayPal on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you'll be forwarded to the section where you can see multiple options over here. Just simply tap on personal info. After you click on it, from here you'll be able to update your personal profile. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to update our personal profile on PayPal application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding PayPal, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.